Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don yarn again say in government dey serious about making sure say Edo people and their properties dey safe well for the state. The governor, when in Deputy Right Honorable Dennis Dawuse represent, yarn this one for Festival Hall Government House, Benin City for Eid El Kabir jollification where Muslim brothers and sisters gather come jolly with the governor. As the deputy governor dey talk, Nkonyan said this administration dey focused to make Edo better, secure and make everybody dey enjoy peace and better life. E come still beg Edo people say make dem use this Salah period remember wetin Eid al-Adha mean, wey be unity, love, sacrifice and peace. E come talk say everybody suppose join hand live together in peace no matter their religion or tribe. E come assure say the Edo State government go continue to work hard day and night to make Edo safe and also help those wey no get.
It is with great joy that I stand on behalf of His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, the Executive Governor of Edo State, to extend heartfelt congratulations to our brothers and our sisters across Edo State on the joyous occasion of Eid El Kabir. Eid El Kabir is a sacred celebration that reflects on the virtues of obedience, devotion, selflessness, and unwavering faith. As we celebrate today, let us reflect on the lessons of this holy celebration, which includes the spirit of oneness, sacrifice, love for one another, and unity. Let us continue to pray for peace and prosperity of our dear state. Let us continue to renew our commitment to the values that bind us as people, regardless of religion and ethnicity. Let us strive at all times to build a community that is inclusive, peaceful, tolerant, and respectful of all faiths, culture, while promoting dignity and harmony. The present administration remains steadfast in its commitment to the welfare and well-being of all citizens, prioritizing security, which is the bedrock of every striving society. We will continue to work tirelessly to ensure that the safety of lives and property across the entire state. I call on all Edo citizens to support our efforts and collaborate with the security agencies to build a safer, stronger, and more united Edo State.
The chief imam of Benin, Sheikh Abdul Fattah Inabulele, praised the governor well for all the better things he don't do in just 6 months for office. He come here and say Governor Okpebholo they try to stop cultism, kidnapping and criminal wahala, say na sake of all these efforts, Edo people they enjoy more peace now. He come also hail the governor for the victory wey he get for Court of Appeal, say na God hand dey on top the matter.
As we celebrate the Festival of Sacrifice, it is an opportunity for all Muslims and Nigerians in general to re-examine ourselves and gauge our level of commitment to Almighty God. Our nation, Nigeria, is seriously in need of true worshippers at this period. Sincere worshippers, truthful worshippers. Unfortunately, we have too many religious people in this country. But the God-fearing are very few. Those who have fear of God in their hearts are very few. There is no doubt that most of the problems facing the nation today could have been surmounted long ago if all Muslims, and indeed all Nigerians, have the fear of God in all that we do, as exemplified by Prophet Abraham.
Your Excellency, sir, on the court wall, I want to sincerely commend your administration's efforts and commitment in curtailing the activities of cultism, kidnapping, and other crimes in the state. The decisive action you took particularly against court walls, which has resulted in the death of so many many young men in recent years is a welcome development. You know, killings in the name of courtesy is not only barbaric, it is ungodly and very satanic. Human life is sacred, and nobody has the right to take it.
The secretary to the state government, Musa Ehilo, can also drop in own goodwill message as him yan say Governor Okpebholo na correct leader where they fair to everybody and they try to give Edo people the real benefits of democracy.
I just want to join others in congratulating all of us for a wonderful day. Today is called the Big Day, and the Big Day of Sacrifice, where we commemorate the essence of submission, of faith, of obedience, and of sacrifice. And that lesson is a lesson that we must cascade to every facet of our life, to our neighborhood, to our community. It's a lesson in sharing, it's a lesson in spreading love, it's a lesson in building harmony. Just the way we are advised as Muslims that if we slaughter our rams, we should divide it into 3. Keep one part and distribute the remaining 2/3 to our neighbors and the needy. Let us exemplify that, not just in the ram we are slaughtering today, but in other blessings that God has blessed us with. Whether it is with wealth, money, position, try as much as possible to share. If one share with the other, the community will become better, the state will become better, our country, Nigeria, will become better. We want to thank His Excellency the Executive Governor for all he has done for the Muslim community and all other religious community. He has demonstrated a very strong sense of fairness and justice, carried all tribes, all religions, all persons with different affiliations along, giving to each what is due to them. He's a man of justice, he's a man of fairness, and like our commissioner also said, he's also a man of projects and practical governance. The Muslim community should do its best. Our imams, our parents, let us join the fight against cultism, against crime, like His Excellency the Executive Governor. Let's talk to our children, talk to our brothers, our sisters, our students to leave this cultism, employ all necessary means whatsoever. The governor is using carrot and stick approach. He has declared amnesty for those who want to come forward to renounce their cultism. He has also declared that those who have illegal weapons and guns can bring it forward. He will even pay them money for the gun. If the gun is 500,000, he will give them 1 million naira. That is what the government said. But if you fail to take that carrot, then the stick will come down. Demolition will come down. So this is an advice we want our various Islamic organizations and parents to cascade to their followers, their children, their friends, and their wards.
Plenty other Ogbonge persons stand up for the event, wey include Coordinator, Office of the First Lady Edo State, Madam Edesili Anani Okpebholo, and Honorable Paul Ohombamu, Commissioner for Information and Communication, wey also give their own goodwill messages. Them all also use the opportunity to greet the Muslim people and pray say peace and progress go continue for Edo. Later on, the Deputy Governor yan tori people say this government go continue to carry everybody along and go they do everything with them fit to grow Edo and make life better for other people.
The Executive Governor of Edo State is a governor that believes on all religion. First, both the governor and deputy governor are Christians. Then the SSG and the chief of staff are Muslims. So you can see where the peace came from. So I want to thank the Executive Governor of Edo State for bringing that a comprehensive team that consists of both faiths. And that is why you can see the peace and harmony in our dear state. Wherever we are right now is because of God and our parents. I want to tell the parents, especially in Edo State, to know the whereabouts of their children, continue to preach peace, to shun violence, issue of courtesan should be eradicated completely in our state, and our parents have a lot to do with that. Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo had declared war against courtesan, and we want the collaboration of all parents across the land to support us in this drive.
Make una not forget say, as we see 'em, na so we dey talk 'em. We know they take blame. Ekata Ojisali, TMC News.